This highly experienced crew has a combined total of over 12,000 flying hours in various Air Force aircraft. To start off today's demonstration, the crew will perform a high-speed pass with the aircraft capable of accelerating to over 350 miles per hour. This pass demonstrates the extremely powerful engines of this magnificent jet. Quiet it is while passing by show center. This gives the operators a tactical advantage while flying low over hostile territory. It allows for more suitable operations at airfields near heavily populated cities. Now this reliable airlifter combines the intercontinental cargo carrying capabilities of large aircraft such as the C-5 Galaxy with the short field landing potential of the much smaller C-130 Hercules. Now as the aircraft continues to turn low and to your right as you face the runway, the C-17 is powered by 4 Pratt & Whitney F-117 engines. These are the same engines used on the Boeing 757. Each engine delivers over 40,000 pounds of thrust. This amount of thrust allows the Globemaster III to carry over 170,000 pounds of cargo. Yes, that's 85 tons, the equivalent of 7 school buses or 1 M1 Abrams tank, for an astounding range of up to 2,400 nautical miles without ever utilizing its air-to-air refueling capability. Now look high and to the right, ladies and gentlemen. The aircraft will now perform a slow speed pass. Notice the wing leading edge slats and large powered lift wing flaps. These devices change the shape of the wing and are key to its low final approach speed, enabling this aircraft to land and stop in very short distances. As the aircraft reconfigures, retracts the powered flap system and the landing gear, the C-17 will now maneuver for a circle over the airfield, showing its ability to fly at slow speeds and demonstrate its advanced aerodynamics in action. The aircraft uses a quadruple redundant fly-by-wire system for the operation of flight controls. This is combined with 4 separate flight control computers, each capable of controlling the entire system independently. The system is designed to optimize the capabilities of the C-17, yet maintain enough redundancy to protect against a wide variety of failure conditions. Another feature of this amazing flight control system is that the aircraft can also be flown in an entirely mechanical backup mode, further safeguarding against abnormal situations. Now as the aircraft rolls out high and to the left and approaches, notice the upturned wingtips or winglets. These decrease aerodynamic drag and increase fuel economy. Now to give you a better idea of the aircraft's overall size, These winglets are nearly 9 feet tall. Now, ladies and gentlemen, in case you're wondering how big that C-17 is, well, the wingspan is 170 feet. The tail is over 5 stories tall and fully loaded. It weighs over 580,000 pounds. As you can see, the C-17 is extremely maneuverable at both high and low speeds, making it easy to operate in any tactical situation. Now here are some of the interesting facts about the Globemaster III. The C-17 made its first flight in September of 1991. Since then, the aircraft has set over 30 world records, including payload to altitude, time to climb, and the longest airdrop mission in history. This aircraft can fly anywhere in the world non-stop using its air-to-air refueling capability. The Air Force personnel routinely fly 24-hour missions with a single crew. The most basic crew complement required to operate is 2 pilots and 1 loadmaster. Now, the heavy-duty landing gear allows it to land on surfaces such as cement, sand, dirt, and even ice. As a result, C-17s have been in over 180 countries and every continent in the world since production began. Lastly, all current Air Force crews are trained on the use of night vision goggles or NVGs, allowing them to operate while in unlit, austere locations around the globe and own the night during combat operations. Now, all the maneuvers you've seen here today are examples of those flown by our operational air crews on a regular basis, as they provide the highly responsive and flexible airlift capability for America. Ladies and gentlemen, this concludes today's demonstration. On behalf of the men and women of the United States Air Force, Air Education and Training Command, and Altus Air Force Base, Oklahoma, we thank you for being with us today, and we hope you enjoyed this brief look at the C-17 Globemaster III. True workhorse for the United States Air Force Core Airlift, which will continue to provide rapid global mobility for America.